How much should you have in your emergency fund? A solid emergency fund is a financial cornerstone. It provides a safety net when unexpected expenses arise, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. But how much should you aim to save? The general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This amount can vary based on your individual circumstances, including your job security. If your job is relatively stable, you might be able to get away with a smaller emergency fund. Your dependents. If you have a family to support, you'll likely need a larger emergency fund. Your overall financial situation. If you have significant debt or other financial obligations, you might want to aim for a higher savings goal. Here's a breakdown of what your emergency fund should cover. Rent or mortgage payments, which are major expenses for most people. Utilities like electricity, gas, water, and internet bills can add up quickly. Groceries, because food is a necessary expense. Transportation, including car payments, insurance, and gas costs. And don't forget debt payments, such as credit card or loan payments, which should also be factored into your emergency fund. To calculate your ideal emergency fund amount, start by estimating your monthly expenses. Add up all of your recurring costs. Then, multiply your monthly expenses by 3 to 6. This will give you a range for your emergency fund. Tips for building your emergency fund include starting small. Even if you can only save a little at a time, every bit counts. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. And cut unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to reduce your spending and increase your savings. Remember, an emergency fund is a safety net. It's there to protect you from unexpected financial shocks. By building a solid emergency fund, you'll be better prepared to handle whatever life throws your way.